Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing my first top end change on my yz125. So hopefully I can do this. So I'm going to be changing the top end, but I'm also going to be doing just a whole maintenance on the bike because I'm going out to ride Loretta Lynn in a week. So I just wanted to be ready. Before you pull off the gas tank, make sure you disconnect this line, but also make sure your fuel is off or it'll all just leak out. So it's on off, and now I can take off this hood. Did have some leak out, but it's gonna happen. Coming along pretty good. My air filter is pretty dirty. One thing you wanna make sure you do is before you pull off the cylinder, make sure you drain the coolant or it'll just start going everywhere. Almost did that last time I went to check it. So yeah, I'm gonna pull it over and put it in a bucket. So here's the drain plug. Before you pull it, make sure you take off this cap. It'll let it come out faster. Also make sure your bike is definitely cool because this coolant is extremely hot. Oh my gosh, I got that all over myself. All right, so now you want to get some water. Pour it in here to flush all the rest out. I think you're supposed to use distilled water, but I'm gonna just use what I got. There it comes. Next, I'm gonna be removing this coolant hose. So a little Phillips head. Get it loose. That was pretty tight. Now we got these last 5 bolts up top. I'm gonna take them off in a star pattern. That's mainly for putting them back on, but I'm gonna still do it. So I'm looking at my cylinder head. It looks really nice, I think. There's just a little bit of, I guess, buildup, but I don't see any scratches or anything. I actually realized I have to take off my exhaust. So I'm just doing pliers. I don't really have the right tool for it, but the kickstart was holding me up. Big old exhaust. Got these bolts off, and also got paper towels because I'm not gonna risk dropping anything down my engine. Let's see here. There it is. There is a tiny bit of side-to-side movement, 0 up and down. I mean, just a tiny bit of side-to-side, so I think it's okay. So I stuffed it with a rag right here, because I'm not taking any chances. But you just kind of slip it in. There's your little clip. After inspecting the cylinder, I mean, I don't see anything that concerns me. Everything looks really nice in here. You can see the cross hatching right there. Right there, you can see it. I don't see any any grooves that catch my fingernail. Time to open up these gaskets. There we go. So I'm gonna, this is my new piston. This is my new piston compared to the old one. I'm gonna try to go ahead and put one of these on. There we go. This side faces the exhaust. So I was actually able to get this clip in. Took forever. I hate doing clips. I don't know how I'm gonna do it with it in the bike, but I guess we'll find out. And then I'm gonna, after I put the piston in the cylinder, I'm gonna use my kickstand, kickstart, make sure I see it. You see it moving pretty good. Now I will do these in a star pattern. Keep them even. All right, so now I'm gonna add my coolant, engine ice. All right, guys, hooked up the exhaust. Tank's not really hooked up or any of the plastics. It's just sitting there so I can see if it starts. I'm actually kind of nervous. This is my first top end change ever. So hopefully it fires right up. We'll see. Definitely has more compression. Choke on. Well, there you have it. First top end change on my 2022 yz125x. Went pretty smooth. If I did it again, definitely could be a lot more efficient and faster. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions or anything I could have done better, just leave a comment down and definitely give me advice. Yeah, subscribe because it's free and you can always unsubscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't need no talking, just need your body.